Welcome back. In this evening's health report, Shamila Pullen looks at hoarseness.
Hoarseness occurs when one's voice changes due to problems in the vocal cord. It is estimated that at least 2% of the world's population will experience hoarseness at least once per year. Consultant ear, nose and throat specialist Dr. Merton Smith says this means that approximately 6,000 Jamaicans will experience hoarseness each year. The condition is caused by several factors.
But it's estimated that about 50% of us who get hoarseness, the problem is really laryngitis, which may be acute or sudden, or it may be chronic. So acute laryngitis may be due to excessive voice use, such as happens when we go to a sporting event or a dance or something where we end up shouting a lot, and then we come out being hoarse the following day. Or it could be as a complication of an upper respiratory tract infection.
Infection, whether bacterial or viral, results in swelling and inflammation of the vocal cords. Tumors on the vocal cords are also problematic.
Some patients are hoarse because they have tumors on the vocal cords, and these tumors may be benign or they may be cancerous. Cancerous tumors of the vocal cords are most commonly seen in persons who smoke or drink an excessive amount of alcohol. And so this is something that we have to take into consideration. So important things to look for: one, how long you have been hoarse. Most cases of inflammation of the vocal cords will resolve within about 2 weeks.
If it goes beyond 2 weeks, the affected person needs to see a medical doctor. Treatment depends on the cause. For the management of laryngitis, voice rest is critical.
What we mean by voice rest is no whispering, no shouting for at least a week. You speak, if you have to, in normal conversational voice. And you do things that will help to soothe the vocal cords, like you can do steam inhalations with or without menthol. If it's part of an upper respiratory tract infection that is viral, then it's just supportive treatment in that regards. If it's something that is bacterial, where you have yellow or green mucus production, then you may need an antibiotic to help to resolve that.
Additionally, some persons may require speech therapy. If there's a tumor, then a surgical procedure is done, followed by radiotherapy and or chemotherapy. With your health report, I'm Shamila Pullen, wishing you good health.